Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to prepare a very crispy, easy and a quick snack with wheat flour. For the recipe we need 1 cup of whole wheat flour. To this add half a cup of semolina, that is suji or rava, a quarter cup of gram flour, that is besan, half a teaspoon of carom seeds, half a teaspoon of asafoetida, half a teaspoon of chilli powder, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, required amount of salt, few curry leaves and 2 teaspoons of butter. Mix everything together. We are going to add water little by little into this mixture and make a soft dough. Adjust the water according to the requirement. You need a soft dough out of this. Here the dough is ready. We need to give some time for the semolina to absorb water. So let us leave this for another 15 to 20 minutes. This is after 15 minutes. The dough is ready. Let us divide this into 3 equal parts. Let us take one and roll it. You should not roll this so thin, it has to be neither thick nor thin. Let us make small rounds out of this. To avoid puffing up, I am going to poke this with a fork. From the center, make a small cut at one side and roll it. Roll it gently like this. Stop rolling at this stage and apply some water at the edges. Now roll it again. This will make the dough stick to each other. Use the rest of the dough to make rolls like this. All our rolls are ready. Let us fry this in hot oil. Fry this in medium flame until it turns golden brown. And here our crisps are ready. It is golden brown. We can take it out now. This will stay good for weeks if you store this in an airtight container. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do share, like and comment our videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel.